I am pretty excited. Two things just came on the same day. This is the new mini catalog for July to December, and this is the new celebration because there's going to be a second celebration this year. That's awesome. This starts in August. And as demonstrators, we were able to see this end of last month, and we were able to put in our pre-orders during the month of July. Customers will be able to order from this in August, and so this is my pre-order. Not a big box. I just got a little box this time, but it's got some awesome stuff in it. Actually, I think this is maybe from the main catalog, but this is an embossing folder that's got music in it. Gorgeous leaves, because you always need to have a leaf set. And these are the dies that coordinate with it. And the dies, like this one, will cut the main shape. And then this one, some of these will cut a detail shape, so you can do some layering and a branch. Having a branch is awesome. I do like that. And then it's got some fun, just sort of splotchies that go along with the detailed leaf images. You know, one of the fun things about being a demonstrator, people say, well, don't you already have a leaf set? And I say, well, yeah, sure I do, but that was last year's leaf set. The fun of being a demonstrator for me is new toys that I can play with. And then I sell my retired stuff. This is Sparkle of the Season. Isn't that fun? It's got bats in it, it's got leaves in it, and stars in it, and snowflakes. So it's going to go for many different holidays, including we have Grateful and Happy Halloween and Merry Christmas. So this is just all around great. But guys, look at the dies. Isn't that awesome? Little holly leaves and a little wreath thing. And are you ready for it? Ta-da! There's a bunch of dies, including a little pumpkin. So this is a lot of fun. Can't wait to play with this one. Standalone stamp set. Love it. Love it. I don't know. This one just spoke to me. It was like the first one I was going to order. So I'm really excited about playing. I already have ideas in mind for what I'm going to do with that one. This is ornament set, and same thing for the leaves. People say, don't you have an ornament set? And I'm going, yeah, but that was last year's ornament set. This one, I got new ideas. I got new things I can play with this. And once again, it's a huge set of dies. And look at, they have words in them. So this is, we're trying to read backwards here. I need a mirror that says joy, and this one says merry and bright. So fun, a lot of fun. Oh, and a little Christmas tree shape in there and a snowflake in there. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh, these are, so look at this. This is some little snowflake things. They're a bunch of these sheets in the package, and they come separated by tissue paper. They're not self-sticky, so you're going to have to glue them. They're kind of shiny. You see that reflection? They're kind of shiny on the one side, and then they're just a matte white on the other. You could really use either side, and you get a whole bunch of them in the package. So that will be fun for some winter cards. Got some designer papers. This is a cork paper. This one, I can't even tell you how it feels. This is just soft. It's like running your hand across real cork. Well, it must be real cork. And then it's got a paper backing on the other side. I don't know if this comes apart. I'll have to play with it and let you know. But anyway, that one is going to give some real interesting fall images. So I'm eager to play with that as well. And I got some silver foil. Now this package is interesting because, you know, sometimes you get a package with a bunch of foils in it and then it takes you a long time to use them. This is 3 different silvers. Look at that. This one is kind of brushed. Can you see the lines in there? This one is a softer, it doesn't feel soft, but it's a much softer looking, as well as a lighter color of gray. And then this one is again a very bright but more yellowy. This is more of a darker, and this is a more of a yellowy green, but it's also got that brushed look in it. Not quite as deep as the brushed lines in here. This is going to be a lot of fun to play with. And then let's see, I got some matte dots. Those are just cool. I like the metallic look of them. And you know what? They're not as deep and bumpy as some of the self-stick bling, so it might go through the mail a little bit better. Got a bunch of replacements for embossing or papers because they're on sale this month, so I stocked up on them. This one, there was a stamp set that went with it, but I wasn't interested in the stamp set. So yes, you can buy just the dies, but I love having a die for the word happy. That was like, yeah, major investment no matter what it was. I wanted a die that says happy. Plus, this can cut like a background border for happy behind the word. And then this is a similar thing for the word cheer, where it would cut the detail letters and then it would cut a background to mount them on. So I'm getting ready to play with that. These are celebration things because demonstrators get to earn celebration stuff this month. And this is fun paper. So it's all little glitter on there. These are like big pieces of glitter. And then Yep, it doesn't, no, not coming off in my hand at all. And it's just white on the back. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I don't know how well that will punch, but that can make great strips on cards. And then this is also a celebration thing. It coordinates with a stamp set that's in the main catalog, but I earned it free. And isn't that pretty? You've got all these wonderful things that you can do with layering with the different flowers and leaves in here. So I am excited to play with this. I also got some ribbons. So this is a real pretty lacy ribbon. This is a gold shimmer ribbon, pool party striped ribbon. And look at this. Isn't this awesome? It's like confetti, but it's little pink or splotches in an organdy white. So that one can be a lot of fun also. Let me know if you want either one of these two catalogs. This is the July to December mini catalog, and this is the Celebration catalog. I have an order of boxes coming in later, week and a half, and so I can get them shipped off to you. Just let me know.